Singer Scout LaRue strips down to nothing for her 4-minute music video for Love Without Possession. Watch it here. Demi Moore and Bruce Willis musician daughter Scout LaRue, 30, is, literally, bearing it all in her new music video for Love Without Possession. In the 4-minute video, which you can watch above, Scout strips completely naked, while covered by only her long brunette locks. Prior to the video's premiere, Scout shared with fans on Instagram that the song was written about a breakup. "I wrote this song in 2016 in the midst of profound heartbreak, hope, confusion, tenderness, and growth. It kept me company like a tender friend, narrating a story I was living in real time, softening the edges of my pain as only art can," she said. In the lyrics, Scout sings, "It's hard to know I'm the one who has your heart. But some girl might get the other parts that used to be mine too. I'm learning to love you from afar, by which I mean across the bar. You're so beautiful." As the video progresses, Scout is careful to conceal what needs to be concealed, while leaving little to the imagination. "I'm working on accepting love without possession. I'm trying to love you without obsessing. I know you're still in love with me, the way I'm still in love with you. What are we gonna do? How will our love flow on?" Scout sings, "I'm working on accepting love without possession. I'm trying to love you without obsessing." Scout's Instagram followers seem to be digging her new tune, too. "Oh my god. Absolutely amazing, Scout. You've completely blossomed into a full-on soulful woman, with a voice that is intense, potent and important. Congratulations on your fabulous creations," one fan wrote in the comments. Related gallery. Willis, see gorgeous pics of Bruce and Demi Moore's daughter. And Scout is not the first one in her family to get naked in the name of art. As fans know, her mother Demi, 58, infamously posed naked while pregnant on the cover of Vanity Fair in 1991. In 2019, Demi also stripped nude in a very similar looking pose as Scout for the October cover of Harper's Bazaar.